Hi, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and in this one we're going to have a look at this Christmas Crochet Made Easy by, I think is that Create or just Create? Inspired to Create, it says. Christmas Crochet Made Easy, festive patterns, step-by-step guides and joyful makes for every skill level. So, I was out shopping and I went in to see if I could get one of the magazines I'd used before, which I wasn't subscribed to, and I found this. And the price is $9.99, which is a similar price to magazines, but it's quite thick. It's like a bookazine, this one. So I thought I would get it and we would review this one and see. So it's in sort of not supermarkets, newsagents. That's where I managed to find it. So, I don't know who makes this, but we shall see if any of the patterns have popped up in magazines that we've looked at before. Okay, so let's get in. Okay. Just a bit saying hello. So we've got contents. Getting started, all about hooks, yarn and other supplies. So that's basically a waste of time. And then we've got holding your hook and yarn. So it's really going to teach you from basic. So all of this is teaching granny to suck eggs bit, as I like to call it. So we've got how to do a treble and all of that. So right up to page 30 is how to do bits, like how to read pattern might be handy. Blocking and all that stuff. So quite a bit of this book is already just kind of how to do bits. So let's have a look and see how good it is at teaching, shall we? So we're showing all the different types of hooks, the anatomy. We've got throat, head, grip and handle. That's not a bad way of calling it. I would call it a throat from now on. I've never been happy calling it a shaft. Anyway, tapered and inline, US and UK, metrics, all the different sizes, all about yarn. So really, yeah, we kind of know about that, don't we, guys? Other supplies it goes into. So it's only a page a piece, holding your hook and yarn in two different types of way, making a slip knot, we don't need to know that, chain stitch, turning chains, which we don't do anymore, double crochet, treble crochet, obviously UK terms, working in rows and rounds, increasing and decreasing, changing colour and magic ring, and working back loops and front loops, amigurumi techniques, and super seaming, brilliant blocking. So yeah, there's lots in here. We've got how to read the pattern. So we're now in. So it's not really like a big part of the book. It's just, unnecessary to some of us, but not to everybody. So that's all right. It tells you the abbreviations and all of that on patterns. So let's get started on the patterns. About time. No, really, it was good, actually. They weren't bad, were they? So this is obviously Santa, Father Christmas. The perfect size for a quick stocking filler. So what is the size? I mean, we can't really see, but that looks like one of them very small trees, but it's further back. So would be good if we could see the size. Does we have a size? 28 centimetres tall. So he's a tiny one, really. And there he is from the back. Not a very good seam, but never mind. And we have a candy cane sweater, which is a polar neck. And it's got a cuff. These are a tad baggy, but this is made with Stylecraft Special Chunky, so nice and cheap to make. Yeah, you can do it in any colours. Doesn't have to be that colour, does it? Is that 2 pages? It feels thick. No. Okay, extra small up to a 5XL as well. But these are sewn on. So it's just basic row after row of the same stitch. And then sewing on the candy canes. Nice and easy though. So we've got this bright ball cushion. So it's a Christmas tree cushion with some little bubbles attached of colour to simulate the pom-poms on the tree. You know what they're called? Baubles. Just read that word. Oh my God. Okay. So yeah, that looks kind of cool, doesn't it? I am a bit hungry, guys. If you can hit my stomach, I do apologise. This is the Candy Swirl Beanie. That's quite sweet. And what size is it? Toddlers, 3 to 5 and a 6 to 10 they're doing it in. So obviously you get a choice of 2 sizes, really. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. It's swirly. Seen a few of those on YouTube, though, got to say. These are the gingerbread elves. And these are 15 centimetres, so they're not very tall at all. Tall at all. They're not very tall, even. Very cute, nevertheless. But nice little toys. And it won't take long to make them. That's the beauty of it. Seen this before? I'm sure I have. Maybe it's just very similar. It's called Neon Christmas Jumper. Maybe I haven't. It might just look like 1,000 others. Possibly. And where's the sizes on this? It not doesn't charts. Okay. Okay, it's just giving us loads of different measurements rather than that chart we're used to showing extra small up to 5XL or something. It's just giving you lots and lots of centimetre sizings, which is not a good way of looking at. Oh, I suppose it's there as well. Look, extra small up to a 5X. So there's the sizing and there's the measurements. So yes, they've got both. I'll let them off. My bad. Didn't read it properly. Okay, so we've got some charts on the decor. Gingerbread cushion. So at first glance, I thought I like that, but I'm not like really keen on the roof. It's a bit holy, isn't it? They should have just done, I think, snow in a scallop, you know, and done it sort of, what's the word I'm looking for? Solid. That would have been better, I think. It's just got, I don't know why they've done that. It just seems a bit odd, but, you know, they wanted it to be different, I guess. And at least they've put it in, you know. Must be the back. Granny spruce blanket. Nothing like a granny. So, no. It's made with bubbles, I think, those trees. It's nothing like a granny. Maybe they're just calling it granny blanket when it's not really anything granny about it. Oh, hang on. There's 3 lines now and then of granny stitch. Well, it's still a stretch. Still a bit of a stretch calling that. It's nice. Quite like it. It's different. It's actually pretty decent. Yeah, not bad at all. We have a checkerboard stocking with a furry top. I have a stocking with a furry top on my channel. Or furry or fleece, you can use either. So this is a Candy Stripes cowl. At first glance I thought it was going to be the pullover, but it's not. It's this, which I don't think that's a cowl. I think that's an infinity scarf. To me, a cowl is just a thin one, like goes round and there's not much to it. Infinity scarves are a bit longer, and that's what I think that is. But there you go. What do I know? This is Coco the reindeer. He is 23.5 centimetres tall. But he's well cute. I like him. Maybe I'll have a go at some amigurumis. What do you think? There is one thing I'm thinking of making, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. Unless I don't, because I might not do it. Christmas baubles. Lots of these everywhere, all over YouTube as well, and in magazines. Oh, I like that. That's cool. That could be great for your phone or gadget, couldn't it? Just, I like that. That is different. Good idea. Pretty cool. And you've got a chart. Make it whatever size you want. I like it. That's good. Candy cane scarf. Did we not have one that called that already? Thought we did. And I like this. The alphabet. So, yeah, that's... See, I'm not a fan of wall hangings, but that I do like. That's pretty decent. I like that a lot. They are... All letters are approximately 10 centimetres. So they're not massive either. That's pretty nice. And we've got the charts. But why is it just ABC? Hope there's more. Oh, look, there they are. Got them all, actually, by the looks of it. Joyful. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Look at that. Say what you like. So this is the Turtle Dove cardigan, and that's pretty cute. The sleeves are not horrendously baggy, which is good, but I think they've not finished this too well. That's looks a bit like they should have used a bigger hook or something, unless it's meant to go up like that, but it's odd, that bit. Anyway, it's pretty sweet. I like that. And what have we got size-wise? Extra small to a 5XL. Oh, and they've got this one now, look. So we have a Christmas plaid wrap. It's very similar to one that was in the magazine that I've just done. This is made by Signet Aaron. 2 balls in light grey, 1 ball in white, red and sage. That is nice. I hope they show it all out. No, they don't. Because, you know, it's going to be... Well, I think they should have shown that sort of flattened out so you could see it all. I like that. That is really nice. So we've got a festive treats blanket. Yeah, that's all right. Although, look at this. Charts galore. I do like a chart, as you well know. The sugar plum stocking. Looks like it's made with the alpine stitch. Just a stocking, a little one, little baby one. Abbreviations and standard stuff on the last page. So what do you think? I actually really like this book. I didn't thumb through it much. When I saw it, I had a little quick glance. I didn't even notice what was in it because I wanted my reactions to be, you know, as I saw it, I reacted. I didn't want to know already what was in there. I mean, obviously you can see what's on the front, but yeah, I quite like this. That was worth the money, $9.99. So yeah, you get a magazine full of adverts, but you get this, and didn't really notice any adverts. There weren't any. Bit of a hit with me, this one. I don't know about you. Let me know in the comments what you liked and if you thought it was good, worth the money. And there's definitely a few things in there that I would, I'd be proud of making. Okay, well, thanks very much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.